Hey my friends, so this popped up on my phone, this freezy stress relief thing, and I'm like, okay, well, nothing happens by accident. Slime therapy for stress. Proven techniques to calm, release tension instantly. Start free. Oh, they want you to add a card though. You can't just try it first to see if you like it. See, I like this stuff that's like, okay, at least let me try something. Let's see. Maybe it will. Ooh, nature, light, food, or particles. I want to do particles. Good so far. No. And then it adjusts your personalized journey. And it's called Feelsy. It's an app. Now I have an ad. Okay. So what do you do? Oh, see? I'm just like touching the screen. This is ice cream. I'm just like tapping it and then swirl. I don't really like that one. Ooh, macaroni. Oh, of course we have an ad. Oh my gosh, look how long this ad is gonna be. Yeah, some of these apps are just like, I don't think so. I'll stick to my meditation and breathing. Like, how do we even, can we skip the ad? It's making us stand him up. No, I don't want that. I want to go back to what I was doing, man. Okay, this is macaroni and cheese. Pasta. Lemonade.
If you want to know what you will look like when you grow old.
Another ad. And look, I only got to play with it for a few seconds. Oh, let's say skip video. Oh, there we go. Yellow Lake. I don't know. Anyway, just wanted to share it with you. Have a great night. Peace.